Guys, Pallav Kushal with you once again. Now, in the introduction video, if you remember, after selecting the offer, we discussed about sending the traffic to the offer. But in between, we have done something in order to build our email subscriber list. That is to create our capture page. Now, in this particular video, we are going to first of all see some examples of how I created some of my successful capture pages slash squeeze pages in order to capture the leads and then promote other similar offers through our autoresponder. And also we will create a capture page stroke squeeze page ourselves together in this particular video, so you know the psychology, the mechanism, the science and the arts behind creating a successful capture page stroke squeeze page. Now, in order to link your capture page to an autoresponder, I highly suggest you to have Aweber, because that's the basic autoresponder. You can get a trial account of Aweber, just for $1, because remember that the most important asset an online marketer can have is an autoresponder, irrespective of whichever offer they're going to promote. So have your autoresponder or have your Aweber account over there. Now, let me give you some examples of some of my successful capture pages. This is one capture page which I made. Very simple. Discover how I'm literally going to force you to make money whether you like it or not. Now, this capture page converted me over 50%. That means every 100 visitors came to the capture page, more than 50 people entered the email ID, which is kind of unheard of, because the average industry rate is between 20 to 25%. Anything above 30% is doing very good. Now, once you're creating a capture page, the first thing you should remember that it should be within 3 lines. Like the headline should be within 3 lines, right? Not anything more than 3 lines, it looks kind of over the top. The next thing, it should be create a nice hook over here, like discover how I'm literally going to force you to make money whether you like it or not, kind of forcing them to make money online. It should be neat, like a nice background. Now, I use all the different kind of capture page builders softwares or page builders, like I use ClickFunnels, I use Lit Pages, I use Epic Squeeze Page. So anything you can use, whichever you're comfortable with, in order to make your capture pages. Now, this is the one thing. The second thing, another capture page was converted me over 42%, which is a free Dirty Little Secret System makes complete newbie $3,000 or more per month, working 30 minutes per day. And then they select this, and this is the kind of known as a continuity offer, and they enter the email ID and you get the capture and get the lead. Let me quickly close this. And what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to create a live capture page in front of you through one of my capture page builders, which is the Epic Squeeze page, for this CV passive income. Now, as I told you, the first thumb rule is to create it like nice and crisp, and don't kind of put too much graphics in the capture page, so people will get distracted from that. Number two, it should be within 3 lines, so it kind of looks nice and neat. So if you look at the headline over here, it should be congruent. Like it cannot happen like this. You are talking about something else, like you're talking about making $20 per day, and your sales page talks about $1,000. So there is a incongruency in the capture page and the squeeze page, which is never good. So your capture page should always be congruent to your squeeze page, or your squeeze page can be an open one, like I've shown you in my first example. So here the headline says that here is the opportunity to clone my entire preventative marketing business today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some part of this and see that whether we can use it in our capture page creation or not. Now, here is I am inside my capture page builder. I'm just going to make something over here. Discover how to legally clone 7-figure marketers entire proven business today. Okay, so let me do the headline and let's see how it comes to. And of course, we can do the designing part and all later, but let me read it once again. Discover how to legally clone 7-figure marketers entire proven internet business system today. I think it's looking nice. And then you can link this to your autoresponder, so it depends on what kind of system you're doing. Now over here it allows me to select a background over here. So what I can do, I can either select a keyword or I can enter a background URL. Okay, let me quickly pause the video here and let me get a nice image for this particular thing. Hey, I just found a nice image from Google. So what I need to do next is that just copy the image address. It's really easy to create a page inside Apex Quiz Pages, and just paste it, and then let's select style. So what I'll do, I'll select like get instant access. I can have white text on black background, and then the box opacity, the transparency, I'll keep it 50%. Button effect, let me click like bounce, and then you should select the page. If you want to have a video page, you can do that over here, but yeah, let's go quickly and create other stuff. Like here you can create an exit pop-up. I'll not bother about this particular stuff at this moment. So this is it, almost we are done. One thing that over here you should give your target URL. That means after they opt into your autoresponder, where they will go. Now in this particular case, after they go to your autoresponder and you select your autoresponder from the list, you should go to your this particular offer. Okay, as simple as that. So that's it, guys. Let's preview this page, how it's looking like. So let the image load. You can see this is looking nice. Oh my gosh, this is looking so cool, man. So discover how to legally clone 7-figure marketers entire proven internet marketing system today. So see, in front of you I just created the entire capture page in less than might be 1 minute. So that's it, guys. Make it neat. You can use any capture page builder software which you are using, and this should be congruent with the sales page, most importantly. And you can see how easy it is to create this sort of capture page. And then once you have your capture page ready, then we are now ready to not only build our list but also start sending traffic to the offer. All right, guys, so you are doing absolutely awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.